4 Domino's outlets. Licenses suspended. 95 food businesses handed improvement notices. 1 government canteen inside the Bombay High Court itself inspected and pulled up, all in a matter of weeks. And the man behind it has been transferred 25 times in his career. This isn't a movie script. This is happening in Maharashtra right now. Promise. Today, we're breaking down how one IAS officer triggered a food safety reckoning that's now touching some of India's biggest names, from pizza chains to FMCG giants, and what it reveals about how easily 100% pure, 100% natural, and 100% organic have been sitting on your kitchen shelf without ever being verified. Part 1: The Officer. Meet Tukaram Mundhe, a 2005 batch IAS officer with a reputation that precedes him wherever he's posted. As Solapur collector, his work on water conservation earned him the nickname Waterman of Maharashtra. As Navi Mumbai Municipal Commissioner, he went after illegal construction and unpaid taxes and made powerful enemies doing it. 25 transfers later, he landed as Commissioner of Maharashtra's Food and Drug Administration. And instead of settling in quietly, he did what he's always done: enforced the law like it actually applies to everyone. Within weeks, his teams inspected over 3,000 food establishments across Mumbai alone. The result: 165 license suspensions, 764 improvement notices. Restaurants, elite clubs, quick commerce warehouses, nobody got a pass, not even the government's own canteens. After a Bombay High Court order demanded equal treatment, FDA teams walked straight into the High Court complex in the Mumbai municipal headquarters and inspected those kitchens too. Part 2: Domino's gets flagged. This is where it gets personal for a lot of consumers. Domino's, run in India by Jubilant Foodworks, had 4 Mumbai outlets hit: Ville Parle West, Borivali West, and our City Mall in Ghatkopar among them. Inspectors found problems with potable water storage, pest control, food segregation, and hand-washing facilities. 2 outlets were ordered to stop business altogether. 5 had licenses suspended. This is a brand people order from almost on autopilot. And suddenly, the fine print, the hygiene standards behind the delivery box is under a microscope. Part 3: The 100% pure problem. Now, zoom out to a bigger, separate story that's exploding at the same time, because together, they're painting one picture. India's food labeling has been running on trust that was never actually verified. On August 3rd, FSSAI, the National Food Regulator, a different body from Mundi's state-level FDA, ordered Dabur to immediately stop selling products carrying labels like 100% pure, 100% natural, and 100% organic. We're talking honey, ghee, edible oils, coconut water, apple cider vinegar. FSSAI's argument: these absolute claims are ambiguous, legally non-compliant, and impossible to actually verify. Worse, 2 products, Dabur's Himalayan Organic Apple Cider Vinegar and Dabur Organic Honey, were carrying the official Jaivik Bharat organic logo without valid certification behind it. Dabur pushed back hard, saying the order could force over 150 crore rupees worth of products to be pulled, destroyed, or repackaged, and that the label wording had been in use for decades. They took it to the Delhi High Court and won a stay. The judge ruled that FSSAI should have given Dabur a hearing before banning the products outright. That case is back in court on August 24th. So this story isn't over. Part 4: Why this matters to you. Here's the thread connecting all of it. For years, 100% pure, 100% natural, and 100% organic have functioned less like verified facts and more like marketing wallpaper. Nobody checked. Nobody asked. The label did the selling. What's happening now? Whether it's Mundhe's inspectors walking into pizza kitchens or FSSAI going after a brand as trusted as Dabur, is a signal that regulators are done taking those claims at face value. And it's not just packaged food. Mundhe's FDA has also issued show-cause notices to Shah Rukh Khan, Ajay Devgan, and Tiger Shroff over an ad for a pan masala-linked product banned in Maharashtra, a reminder that even celebrity endorsements aren't automatically safe ground anymore. Summary. So to recap, Tukaram Mundhe, an officer known for uncompromising enforcement wherever he's posted, is currently leading Maharashtra's biggest food safety crackdown in years, hitting restaurants, dairy supply chains, and now Domino's outlets. At the same time, FSSAI nationally has challenged Dabur's 100% pure labeling, though a court has temporarily paused that order while the case plays out. Two different regulators, two different fights, one shared message. The era of unverified purity claims may be closing. If this made you want to actually read the fine print on your kitchen shelf next time, the next video is on screen. Watch it now.